Okay, it's Tuesday, August 4th. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. The gang is on their way. They should be getting here shortly and gonna get starting to work here on getting some of these ceilings out. We have the rooms pretty well prepped. Want to see what they look like? Okay. Okay, in the living room. It's pretty empty. You can tell. I gotta get that lamp out of here. And in the dining room, here we are. Dining room's pretty empty too, huh? And get down into the kitchen. What's left of it? There we go. Yeah. As you can see, we pulled the appliances, we pulled the wall cabinets and all that.
That's nasty. So they had the bat and then do you think they blew in above
I
them?
don't know, how would they have done it?
I don't know. It looks like they're finished with the tearing out of the ceiling.
Well, these ceilings have been removed.
Yes.
Hot official.
Yeah.
All right, now I'm going on for that. And we had to cheat ourselves up here a little bit to get in over the top there because next to the fireplace. And as you can see, it's a big deal here. Back, and we had to kind of remove a little drywall there because we got that whole area over the staircase.
Yeah?
All the way down to the subfloor.
Yeah.
Tile, concrete board, underlayment, gone, and gone. Cool. So, anyway, that's what's going on. We'll keep you posted, and thanks for staying tuned to RV Sometime.
Where our sometime is later.